morning there. It's Flor again from OFB Online Marketing.com. And if you doesn't know me or if you do not know me, my name is Flor and I'm from Australia. I'm Filipino as well. I'm living here in Australia. I'm a wife, a mother of 2 children, and I am a digital business owner, previously working as a registered nurse here. And I'm here to share to you the benefits of digital business 21 days go live challenge. And today it's our 10th day. So the 10th benefits of digital business is tools are all provided for you. All the tools you're going to need in this business is already provided. Everything you need to become successful. That's why this business will be easy for you to do. It's more on no heavy lifting done for you anymore. So today is Wednesday and we have a live workshop or live webinar. It's free to anyone who are interested to know more about digital business. So if you are interested, just register for free to my website at www.ofbonlinemarketing.com. And we also have our 5th income streams that we just launched last week. And if you want to know more another chance or opportunity in online business, we have for you different income streams available. So yeah, now it's just online business is just within a touch of a fingertip, and you can do the business in different income streams. So if you're interested to learn more about this, just log on to my website at www.ofbonlinemarketing.com to watch our free live webinar. The live webinar is global, and we will be starting at 11 o'clock Australian Eastern Standard Time. And if you are watching from other parts of the globe, simply check your country time zone. Okay, that's all for now, and thank you very much for watching.